Hi, good morning. I'm so excited. We're now leaving for Bohol for our New Year countdown celebration. It's family time. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Jay. What's that?
Chicken curry. Inisip ko pa.
Good morning, Luigi. Ito ang favorite ko. Hindi ko palalampasin ang arroz caldo. Yay! Na-miss ko rin ito. Sarap! Nice domestic arrival. So we just arrived here at Henan in Bohol. You can see ang haba-haba. Ang laki ng kanilang lobby naman. Okay, I'm excited to spend my New Year here. So I'll see you around, guys.
Yes. What time does it close? 9 p.m. 9 p.m. Yes. Okay.
Thank you, Riza and Rina.
Thank you, ma'am. Enjoy your stay. Happy holidays.
Good morning. Hello. Oh, smells good. Hi, Julia.
Hi.
Say good morning. Say good morning. So, ito naman ang kanilang main pool. So big. And there are so many mini pools around it as well. This is another pool area. Infinity pool din siya. Anong tawag dito sa pool na to, kuya? Christina's. Swim time. Hello, Julia. Are you enjoying? Are you enjoying? Yeah. Wow, what are you doing? Floating. We're now here in the beach front of Henan Resort in Bohol. Look at the view. Ang ganda. So, my kids and I will be spending our New Year here. And definitely, I'm looking forward to an enjoyable stay. Excited na ako. Ang sarap. Ang hangin. So relaxing. Let's walk. Ang laki ng kanilang pool area. Dito, oh. This is really good for a family outing, family vacation, and this is the end of the trip. Lalakad kami dyan mamayang gabi. Hanggang dun sa dulo. See what's here. Hi, Miggy. My son, Miggy. Siya mag-e-enjoy, pati si Julia. See you later, guys.
Okay na? Okay.
Hello. No, it's safe
Hey! Wow, ang ganda ng likod.
Julia is safe.
Sis! Sarap ng tubig. Why are you afraid, Julia? Eh, what do you want? Scared. Wow, ang ganda ni Bella. Kai Spa. Okay, we're now here at Kai Spa. I'm having my salt scrub and Bea is going to have her body balance massage.
Body scrub with vitamin E.
Yes, we have the choices mag lavender rose with orange.
Huwag ko pumili na yan ang gusto mo.
Hi Vanessa, ganda naman dito. Salon. Nagnaman naman pala tayo. Hi, Be. Wow, guys. Pero, ano tawag dito po ulit? Bubble ba?
Yes, Purang.
O, diba? So, pagkatapos na aking campaign scrub, nag-quick shower ako, and then ito, oh, diba? How relaxing. Cheers, darling. Where's your drink? And then it's bold. So guys, I'm waiting for happy hour. 3 o'clock, 1 hour to go. Para buy one, take one ang mga meals. Ang drinks pala. Kakain lang pala namin. I'm so enjoying the view of the beach and the water, the ocean. Sila may nasa likod ko. Ayan, nakikita ko. Sa pool area na sila. Tapos na sila mag-view. Enjoying them. Hi, Tom. Say hi to my, si Tom ito. Dito siya sa beach pool. Tom. Okay? So, siya, kasama ko siya hanggang mamaya sa aming happy hour. Did you try the pizza, Luis? It's good. What's Julia eating? Pasta? Oh, what's that? Pasta, right? Yeah. Oh, burger. What's your order, Bea?
Chicken burger.
Ayan, pasok tayo sa gym. Masyadong marami akong kinain kanina. Hi! Jonel? Ganda naman na yung gym. hopping. We traveled 5 minutes from the hotel. Tapos, dinala kami ni Kuya dito to ride the boat.
Good morning! Hi guys! Ano gawin natin? Julia!
Ayan. Si Jay, nagsasagwan. Exercise yan, Jay, ha? Diba? Araw-araw ka nagaganyan. Mas ganda sa arms. Ayan, malapit na kami dun sa Virgin Island. Yung famous beach island nila.
Oh, Ma! So, we're in Boracay.
Virgin Island.
Virgin Island.
Wow.
Hi, Julia!
Low tide today. Okay, the snorkeling area in Balikasag Island. Abe, ready to snorkel? Bye! Abot ko yung dapat. Daming isda. Hi guys! Enjoying the Bohol Sea. Hihi, maalat! Ganda dito. Thank you, Kuya. Join me here in Bohol. Itong dolphin watching kasama sa kanilang island tour. Parang 1,000 pesos per head kami, but it's really worth it. Kasama na ang Virgin Island, Balikasag, and eto, dolphin. Tuwan-tuwang aking si Julia. Nakakita siya ng mga dolphins. See? Now here at Mod 2 Strip. It's a mall here in Bohol. It's actually quite new. I think 3 years pa lang siya. Come and join and see the beautiful mall here in Bohol. Now at the Mod Strip here in Bohol. This is the only mall here. Si Luigi. Thank you, Luigi. Japanese dinner. Little girl is
Okay.
Kailan lang ayusin mo? Bakit ako nakapipili? Sinubunutan mo sinong magkakampi?
Free!
Talaga kayo magkakampi? Bakit siya rin? Kasi magulo kayo. Okay. What's...
This is Monday 200.
Oh, sige.
I left my heart in San Francisco!
Yan.
Go, go, go!
The happiest place on earth! The happiest place on earth! Kapag si Julia!
Disneyland!
Disneyland! Yeah! Tingnan niya, Disneyland?
Disneyland!
Yeah!
What is Mama's favorite alcohol? Red wine! One!
MCC!
Two! MCC Money Shops!
Money Shops!
4! 5! Finance Stores of BBM! Tony!
Okay, hi guys! I'm so happy I saw Giselle here again. And she'll be doing the show.
Yeah,
show the countdown.
the countdown tomorrow here at Kenan Resort in Bohol. And always watch the vlogs of Maros here. Maros, very, very talented. And La Coachera.
Okay, we'll have a grand time tomorrow. I'm sure with all my kids here. Thank you. See you.
Thank you guys for subscribing in my YouTube channel. Please share and like Maros Travels to your friends and family as we now navigate exciting destinations in 2023. See you again!